Hey, real estate land investor. Everyone knows that land ownership can build wealth. It's been the foundation empires were built on, family legacies created, and generational wealth distributed. But here's the thing, you're going to hear a lot of noise about land investing. It's too hard, it takes too long, and it's too risky. The truth is, most people waste money, fail miserably, and completely miss out on owning the most valuable asset on planet Earth, land. But that doesn't have to be your tragedy. If you avoid 5 costly mistakes people make when buying and selling land, you can be the hero of your story and change the course of your family's lives. The truth is, land ownership has made families wildly successful or kept them trapped in generational poverty. I put together an automated webinar that reveals the 5 costly mistakes people make when buying and selling land, and more importantly, how to avoid them. My name is Curtis Williams. I'm a land investor, software engineer, and I've helped hundreds of people, folks just like you, use land investing to create wealth. But I wasn't always a land guy. Before land changed my life, I was a high-level IT program manager inside the Pentagon, one of the most politically intense, soul-crushing places on earth. Every day I dealt with discrimination from a cokehead erratic manager whose mission was to make my life a living hell. But that's another story. Back then, I traded freedom for job security until I decided enough is enough. Land investing became my way out, my exit from the matrix. Now I help others do the same. And this webinar is your invitation to that same freedom. If you've ever considered buying and selling land, join this training today. Learn the 5 mistakes I made so you don't have to. Save yourself years of trial and error. Walk away with clarity, a strategy, and a roadmap to do land deals the smart way. Click below to save your seat, and I'll see you inside. I'm Captain Kurt. Let's make money from dirt.